Assalamu alaikum. This is with style. Today I will be breaking down gold, starting with the daily time frame. So as you can see here on the daily, we have sort of a trend change. Previously, we trended to the downside, and then we bottom out somewhere here, and then we rally again. Now, the point I will be talking about is especially at the end of the trend or at the end of the move, especially these two candles. And I am going to mark up a certain zone that should be an area of interest. Okay. So as you can see here, now the price has created a low, which is a strong low made by a bearish candle, right? And after that, we had a strong move to the upside, followed by sort of a consolidation. Now, how do you determine this consolidation? These consolidations are determined when this candle closed inside the range of the previous. Now, this candle is an inside candle, which is contained, right? Containment candle. Now, the containment candle represented in the daily time frame. If you go to a lower time frame, it's a consolidation, which is basically a demand formation, sort of consolidation before this rally. Okay, now let me go to a lower time frame to explain this idea. Now we are in the daily time frame. We go to the 4 hour. This is the consolidation. This is the price consolidating. It has broke the low, which is a liquidity. This low was a weak low, which is liquidity low, and then price after creating a strong high, sort of internal structure change. After that, we dipped a little bit to take this liquidity, turned it into a strong low, which is a rejection. Okay. Now, after this rejection, price has gone up very massively. And I think here, I was not trading at that time, but I think here that was a candle news. So the candle here, what it did, it broke all the previous lows, tested. Let me clear it out. This candle has tested this low, okay, which is a strong low, and has created a liquidity range. This is a liquidity range now. Now, if you look clearly, we had not, we have not broken this low. Okay. Now, after price has created the liquidity, it tested this liquidity and made a rejection zone as well. So the price has rejected this liquidity level by this unique bearish candle, which shows the bears has not broken the high, brought the price all the way down, but they were not able to contain or to continue the move since this liquidity has been protected and this law was made to push the price up, which creating a demand zone. So this area over here, this whole area over here is a demand zone. This whole area is a demand zone. Liquidity, rejection, rejection, and then a rally up. Okay. Now the price, this is the 4 hour. The price has consolidated here as well, gone up, but as you can see here, similar behavior. Now the price either will consolidate here, dip down to test this level maybe, or test the extreme level, which is the demand zone. Because we have clearly gone up from this level. We have broken, closed above, retested, made it strong low, create liquidity to move up, and after that, the price has maintained the move to the upside. So my bias is buys if the price drop to this level, which is around, let me mark it, 1892, which is holding the price up as you can see. So this level now has become an internal demand zone, right? Because this is an inside candle as well. So you can expect price to come back to this area. This is a demand. This is a fresh demand. Oops, sorry. This is a fresh demand zone. And this was the law which was responsible of breaking the high, right? Because after we made this low, strong low, we broke the high and then continued all the way to the upside. Now I have marked two level. Let me change the color of this. So I'm gonna make it blue. I'm gonna go to the 30 minutes. Now in the 30 minutes, as you can see here, exactly the same low, exactly a strong low, which is made by a bearish candle, retested, and then rally up. So this area over here now has become a demand. As you can see, the rally up. Now this is the way to break down the price or the instrument that you're trading, basically based on supply, demand, and taking into consideration some I will not call it a strategy, but a sort of an edge, which is sort of how price has behaved during making that level, which is according to my edge in the market. This is considered a strong low, right? Now, what I'm looking for is for price to reach somewhere here or to the extreme to test this level, right? Because this level now is the liquidity. Has price has to come back here to test this liquidity. Probably made let's say a rejection, sort of bearish rejection, which is a strong low, and then rally up. Okay, so this is my projection and gold going into next week. I hope this video helps you making a good decision in the market. And inshallah, I will come back next week in Markets Protocol Discord. And God bless you. Stay safe and trade safe. Bye bye.